Let's make the most yummiest mini pizza today. Before we proceed with the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get started with the recipe. All you need is a millet crackers made up of ragi, which is really good in taste. Then apply mayonnaise on it and then ketchup. After that, you can add some veggies to it that might include corn, black olives and many more like these. You can see here I've added onions here because these onions gives us a sweet taste. And lastly, here you can add cheese to it to make it more tastier. And there you go, your mini pizza is ready.